Jenny Marks here with Trademarks Flower Farm, here to show you how to make a beautiful gift bouquet, even if you're a beginner. So this is a really super simple method that you can use to arrange your flowers in a gift bouquet if you're going to give it to someone for some sort of special occasion, an anniversary, a birthday, a get well soon, a graduation, any kind of big event like that. So I have just a bunch of eucalyptus here. There's a few different varieties in this bunch, but it's just a bunch of eucalyptus. You can, if you want to, sort of arrange the stem so it looks pretty full and just lay it down on the table in front of you. Now we're just going to take our other flowers and lay them on top so it looks really, really big and abundant. This way, all the flowers are facing one direction, but it just makes it look a lot more abundant and bigger than if you were to put all the stems around. So I have a bunch of zinnias here and I have some random dahlias. So I'm just gonna start crisscrossing my zinnias here. And I'm gonna place them down and I'm crisscrossing the stems on the table. And I'm just gonna put them at like varying heights and varying depths here on top of the eucalyptus. And now I'm gonna put my dahlias in place and I'm gonna do the same thing. Varying heights, varying depths, put these together like so. I need a couple other dahlias in here. Like this guy. Let's see what else I got going on. This is probably good. You could totally add in some lisianthus or Japanese anemone or sedum or sunflowers, whatever you have laying around. So I'm gonna pick this up and show you exactly what I have. So I just made this very simple arrangement in like 5 seconds just by laying flowers on top of each other. It's really simple, easy to do. At this point, I would just take a rubber band and my snips, put my rubber band around my hand or my wrist, trim the stems so they're all about even. Oh, that's a hefty one. Going pinging off the walls here. And then I'm gonna take my rubber band and just put it around the bottom so it all holds together. And then you can take some twine or some ribbon and just wrap it around your rubber band at the bottom so you can hide it, make it look a little bit more elegant, especially if you're giving it to someone as a gift. I mean, a lot of people don't care at all, but if you're making the trouble or going to the trouble to make a hand-tied bouquet, you might as well just put a pretty ribbon or some twine or something at the bottom. So I just wrap it around and just tie it off. Really simple and easy. So put a little bow at the bottom here. And there you have it. A really beautiful one-sided gift bouquet.